Happy Vlogmas day number 7. Okay, let me tell you why I'm excited. Because do you see a coat on me? You don't? It's 61 degrees. Wait, 61 and the sun is shining. Oh yeah. Okay, we've made it. 1 full week of Vlogmas. Yay. Happy Vlogmas day. Yay. Happy Vlogmas day number 7. So today, because it is warm, and I am all geeked out about the warmth, we're going to put some plants in the ground. We're going to do some additional cleanup. And then I think maybe I can enjoy this day because why the heck not? It's 61 degrees. And the low is only supposed to be like in the 40s. So you know what that means? Time on the deck with the fire pit. Let's get to it. Okay. You will notice also that I can be heard because we now have a new microphone. Shout out to Amazon because I am an Amazon girly. I have explained this before. So I ordered 2 microphones this time. Hopefully I didn't see the other one. I was checking for my dear dog's excrement basically to see if there was a microphone in there. So hopefully I'll find it somewhere. Because you said I didn't eat it, Mom. I didn't eat it, Mom. So it's warm. Oh, excuse me. It's warm, so we are going to be doing some work. I brought these up because I think I explained before yard trim can't go in the black contractor bag. Well, it can if you want it to go in the trash. But if you want it to go into compost, you need to use these. So I'll be transferring some of these items from the trash bag over into the compost. Why am I in such a good mood? Because I cannot with the cold weather. I think in my older age, I'm going to become one of those snowbirds. And leaving that up is a mistake. That's what I'm going to do. Fall back. All right. Now we, a little bit warmer for my plants. Oh, a girl is happy. A girl is happy. So I have 2 bags from, I think, I don't really know what put this together because it's compost. So if y'all remember this arrangement from earlier in the week, this was my fall arrangement from the front door. I'm going to take it and plant it downstairs next to my red bud and behind the Shasta daisy. And this echinacea should be fine. And these 2 are going to go in the yard waste. cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. So cute. All right, we gotta get back to work before we lose our sunlight. I brought some lights up from down there. I don't know how long this tree is, but I really can't see here either. I have to put some lights on this pine tree. So that's what I'm gonna do. Did you put lights?